Hey everybody, this is a short video on how to set up your profile in Schoology. In Schoology, you'll come across your main portion, but you'll see up here calendars, any alerts that you have or notices, and then your name in the far corner. You'll go to your profile and click here where it will help to set up your profile. You want to provide any updates so that students can get to know you better by clicking Edit and then going through and going into update everything on your page. You can do that. You can even add some interest activities, your contact information, and more. Go ahead and save these changes. And you can go back and edit more about your profile. You can also set some settings in here as well. If you go to account settings, whichever your title may be, if you like your middle name, any alternate emails, your calendar link, and then set your home page. This is one that's important. You can set it to recent activity or course dashboard. My preference is course dashboard. That way I can get to all of my courses easily. Also, notifications. If you're getting a ping every time and you want to just have certain updates come through, you can go through here and set your updates as you wish here to either be on email or mobile. You can set them for anything academic, any of your school groups, public groups, or by the school. Note that there may be updates that come from the school or from groups. If you turn off these, you make sure that you have a routine where you will go and check these courses often or these groups often for any updates. If you've lost anything, you always want to try to look in the recycle bin. Anything that's been recently deleted will be accessed here. If you're looking for transfer history where you've moved things from courses in and out, you can also see them right in this area under transfer history. Hope this helps a little bit to navigate your profile and any of your account settings in Schoology.